Rooted Treasure Traditionally Made Organic Jamaican Black Castor Oil. Unboxing, review, intro, let's get into it.
What's up? Welcome back to Whitney's YouTube channel. In this video, I am doing an unboxing and introduction to Rooted Treasure Jamaican Black Castor Oil. If you've been on my channel before, then you know that I'm a fan of DIY hair care. So I have other videos showing you how to deep condition your hair, how to get rid of dandruff, and then just do things to moisturize, hydrate, and strengthen your hair. I was really excited to discover Rooted Treasure's 100% natural and organic Jamaican Black Castor Oil. This product is made directly in Jamaica from castor beans that are locally farmed. They don't dilute or mass produce the oil. So now let's get to the unboxing.
My package was shipped via USPS Priority Mail and arrived pretty quickly. When I opened the box, there was a layer of bubble wrap to protect all of the goodies inside. When I originally tried to purchase this product, it was sold out online, which is a really good sign, meaning that it's in demand. But luckily for me, I was still able to connect with the company and they sent me this package as a gift. This company has really good customer service, communication, and follow-up. And here's an example of that, a thank you card from Sheldon, the founder of the company. Thank you, Sheldon. Inside of the box, there is a promo card that includes all of their social media handles. Here is his business card, and on the back of that business card, it has their goal, which is to provide consumers with organic products in their richest form. This clip is just to show you how everything was packaged inside of the box, but I am going to take everything out and show you details so that you know exactly what I received. This small bag contained a mascara, tube, brush, and funnel. Inside of the small burlap sack, I received 2 bottles of the Jamaican Black Castor Oil. They are 4 ounces in size. And notice here how one of the bottles is wrapped with padding and a rubber band to ensure that they don't break during shipment. So the products were protected. The Jamaican flag is on the back of the bottle. I also want to point out the plastic seal that's at the top of the bottles, just to lock in freshness and ensure that it has not been tampered with. I'm going to fill up the small mascara bottle. This is the mascara wand or applicator brush that comes with it. I'm going to place the funnel at the top. I'm gonna hold this just to ensure it doesn't spill, fall over. I don't want my glass bottle to break. And that is enough for now. I still want to allow a little bit of room for my brush to fit in.
Look how cute this tote is. It's big enough to actually carry things. It has 2 very sturdy handles. Now, I am very new to this company, but there are a lot of reasons that I like both this product and this brand. They are 100% natural, organic, no preservatives added, no salt added, nothing like that. No harmful chemicals or preservatives will be found in this product. They're a Black-owned business, not only a Black-owned business, but a small family-owned and operated business, which is really important to me. I'm a sucker for branding and packaging, and this company does a really nice job. The Jamaican Black Castor Oil is packaged in these cute little amber glass bottles, very clear text. The fonts that they use are very easy to read. Not a lot of color, not a lot of bells and whistles, just really clean, simple packaging and branding, and I do really like that. Before placing my order, of course I did my research, so I went to both the rootedtreasure.com website and then also visited the YouTube channel, and I found lots of really good information that helped me make an informed decision to know that this is the product that I want to use in my natural hair care journey. The content I found in both of those places added to both the credibility of the business, but then also the authenticity of their products. Both the website and the YouTube channel share an actual video of how the Jamaican Black Castor Oil is produced in Jamaica. First, they harvest mature castor beans, then they wash away the impurities and bacteria. After that, they allow the beans to naturally dry in the sun. After that, they roast the beans and manually grind them and churn them into a paste. Next, they boil with water, and then they do the extraction phase where they skim and transfer the product. And once the product cools down, it's bottled. You see how thick it is? The oil does have a scent, but it's not a really strong, potent, or offensive odor. It reminds me of a roasted coffee bean, which makes complete sense when you think about the way that they produce the oil. I'll show you just a little bit on my hand. I don't want to waste this good oil, so just a little bit. And that oil is not going to waste because I am going to moisturize my hands with it. Jamaican Black Castor Oil has antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal properties, which makes it really good for both your hair and your skin. One of the main ways that I use Jamaican Black Castor Oil is to moisturize my hair in different DIY hair masks, but also just massaging it into my scalp in any areas that are thin, brittle, weak, or just need a little bit more shine. In a future video, I'll show you exactly how I use this Jamaican Black Castor Oil, so be sure to subscribe to my channel if you are interested in that content. Another thing I like about this product is that it's very affordable. For me, the price point makes sense because I am getting authentic Jamaican Black Castor Oil straight from Jamaica, not man-made in some lab in China or the US or anywhere else. Let's talk about some of the benefits for using Jamaican Black Castor Oil. When it comes to hair care, it can be used to help strengthen your hair, improve the thickness, and also the shine. It's a really good oil to use if you have thinning hair, especially like around your edges and the nape of your neck. With skincare, it can be used to remove the impurities from your pores, help prevent inflammation and blackheads, can help your skin hydrate and retain moisture, especially during the cold, dry winter months. Jamaican Black Castor Oil has antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal properties. All of those can help treat acne, eczema, fungal, and other skin diseases. The Rooted Treasure brand is new to me, but it may not be new to you. So I want to know in the comment section below, have you ever tried the Jamaican Black Castor Oil? What are some of the positive benefits that you have experienced from using this product? Let me know in the comments below. Well, that brings us to the end of another video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up. Feel free to drop some comments below. And before you go, be sure to subscribe to both the Whitney Styles YouTube channel and the Rooted Treasure YouTube channel for more great content. Thank you so much for watching. Until we meet again.